Let we discuss the vector. Vector is a quantity that has both a magnitude and direction. It represented by a letter with an arrow written over it such as a direction of magnitude. It denoted as F vector. Vector addition. Two vector A and B may be added by using parallelogram law or triangle. For example, A and B, they given A and B the values. You want to add it by a both values in a addition. Vector subtraction. Subtraction of a vector is accomplished by adding the negative of the vector. For example, a vector minus b vector equal to a vector plus minus b vector equal to, we get the value of our vector. Multiplication. The product of vector a vector and scalar m equal to m is a vector ma. The scalar of product vector, the scalar of product of two vector a and b written as a vector dot b is a scalar quantity. It denoted as a multiplication. A vector dot b vector, you want to multiply as a both values. Let we see the example number 1. If a vector equal to 2i plus 4j minus 7k and b vector equal to 3i minus 5j plus 6k, they given to find a vector plus b vector. Here a vector, they given a vector value is 2i plus 4j minus 7k, b vector equal to 3i minus 5j plus 6k. You want to consider as a vector plus b vector equal to, you want to add both values. 2 plus 3i equal to 5i minus, because we putting the minus here because here the symbol of value is minus, so plus into minus equal to minus, so you want to put the symbol of minus here. Then 4 minus 5 equal to j, 1j minus, here also the bigger value, so the here minus, so you want to minus from the both k values, we get the value of 1k. Okay, here a vector minus b vector. A vector equal to 2i plus 4j minus 7k, b vector equal to 3i minus 5j plus 6k. Here we want to subtract a vector minus b vector equal to the value of both a vector and b vector. Here here consider the symbol of minus. 2 minus 3 equal to 1 plus, here the symbol of minus, here also the symbol of minus, so minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 5 equal to 9, then minus, because here also minus and here also minus, minus into minus plus, we want to add this both values, but here want to consider as a minus symbol because the bigger value symbol is minus, so we want to put here minus. Okay, both 7 plus 3 equal to 13k. Then a vector dot b vector. A vector equal to b vector. Here they given a vector and b vector values. Here we want to multiply both terms. Here 2 into 3 equal to 6. Then 4 into 5 equal to 20, because here the value of minus. Okay, here the value of minus, bigger value is minus, so we want to put here minus. 7 into 6 equal to 42. We want to simplify the values in calculus. Okay, 6 minus 20 minus 42, we get the value of 56. Okay, a vector dot b vector value, we get the minus 56. Here a cross b. Okay, a vector cross b vector, we know the a vector equal to 2y plus 4j minus 7k, then b vector equal to 3i minus 5j plus 6k. Here we want to put like this matrix. We want to put the imaginary numbers first, after we want to put the number of 2 3 4 5 minus 7 6. Here we want to take the first number is I, the row and column, we 24 minus 7 into 35 minus j. Then here we want to take j, so the value of 2 7 3 6 12 plus 7 3 is 21 k equal to 10 minus 12, 11i plus 33k minus 22, sorry, j 22k. We get the value of a cross b cross, sorry, a vector cross b vector. Then another example. Okay, another example. They given if p vector equal to 6i plus 12j minus 5k and q vector equal to minus 3i plus 4j minus 2k. We want to find the 4p vector plus 3q vector. Okay, then second one is p vector dot 5q vector. The given value is p vector equal to 6i plus 12j minus 5k, q equal to minus 3i plus 4j minus 2k. Here the first we want to find out the 4p plus 3q. We want to consider 4. First we want to find the 4p vector value. We know the p vector value, the 4 as usual here consider. Then p vector value is 6i plus 12j minus 5k. We want to multiply in the term of p vector. We get the value of 24i plus 48j minus 20k. Okay, then as usual same 3q vector. We know the value of q vector. We want to multiply in 3 into q vector. We get the value of minus 9i plus 12j minus 6k. Okay, then we want to add the both terms, 4p vector plus 3q vector equal to we get the values 4p vector and 3q vector. Okay, we want to add the both terms. We get the value of 15i plus 16j minus 26k. Okay, then second one, p vector dot 5q vector. 5q vector equal to, we know the q vector term. We want to multiply in q vector. We get the value of minus 15i plus 20j minus 10k. Okay, we want to multiply in the both term, p vector and 5q vector. We get the values. Okay, p vector, we know the value of p vector 6i plus 12j minus 5k dot, we found the we get the value of 5q vector. We want to consider here. Okay, we want to multiply both terms, 6 into 15 19 plus 240 plus 5 into 10 50, because here both terms are minus, so we want to put here symbol as plus. Okay, we want to minus 90 plus 240 plus 50. We get the value of 200. Okay, we get the value of 200. Thank you.